What's up, guys, and welcome back to Vukom Entertainment. So, a lot of people have been speaking on social media, and this is Chris Excel, more of like summarizing, the leadership qualities of the next president that they want, to be leading South Africa. So, the summary here that we can see is that they want someone who's going to put South Africans first, more of like they shouldn't be prioritizing the issues of foreigners, especially when it comes to the issues of education, healthcare. We've seen these issues bring up a lot of conflicts in the past. Secure borders, so that illegal immigrants do not just come in easily. And Chris Axel was like, you know what, we vote for him. We don't care whether he is white or black. So that's essentially what you are saying, because we're like tired, of being blackmailed by people come in and say, I'm black like you, support me. But when they finally get that post that they'd been crying for, they do not deliver what the people want. But obviously there are problems with issues like these. We've seen, Gayton McKenzie, he came with the same message. But when he got that ministerial portfolio, what he was preaching when he was campaigning, it just went out through the window. So, right now, looking at the landscape and the people who might fit into this category, it's like Emin Mashava, right? Definitely, he's the one, who fits straight into this message. And I feel like he's the only one out there. The rest, they just don't fall around this message, and the West is definitely Julius Malema. So it's him and Mashaba. Who else? I'll catch you guys on the next one.